is your girl Faithfully Asia, and I'm back with another hair video. So guys, let me tell you, was y'all feeling that little hair show that I gave y'all in the intro? Let me know. And let your girl know if you appreciated that. Go ahead and give this a thumbs up or comment down below. Let me know if you like to see that. You know I'm a little extra. So dolls, I'm excited to tell you about this unit that I have on my head. This is a wig that I made, and I received this hair from Alipearl hair. It's a vendor. They have their own website, and they're actually on Amazon. I got this hair from Amazon Prime. Can you believe Amazon has some bomb hair? So if you want to learn more about the specs of this hair and my thoughts on this unit, keep watching. Okay dolls, as I mentioned, this hair came from Alipearl hair, and they sent me 3 bundles of 26-inch deep wave hair. I did not recall myself making this unit because I do have videos of how I make my wigs on this channel. I'll link that in the description box down below. When I finished making this unit, this is how big it looked. However, once I washed and conditioned the unit, it did get a lot more tamed. Since this is a deep wave hair, I did add some Cantu shea butter leave-in conditioner to the hair while it was wet, and you do this just to prevent the hair from getting really big once it's dry. I did comb out the top layer of the hair because I did want that part to be a lot less defined than the curls underneath. Okay dolls, so I went ahead and I cut the little piece of the lace from the closure that was sticking out. I cut that off, and I just want to quickly show you what the wig construction looks like. As you can see, it's all a dome cap with the weft sewn in, and this small section, it's a 4x4 piece of lace for the closure. To help this match my complexion a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and add some of my face powder. I use the NYX No Filter finishing powder, and I'm going to just take a kabuki brush and rub that on there, and then I'm going to just pat that on the inside of the lace. I like to add it to the inside of the lace. Some people like to add it to the outside. It's really a matter of preference. For me, I prefer to add it to the inside. I either do that or I tint the lace, but I didn't feel like tinting the lace this time. However, if you do want a video on how to tint the lace, I'll be sure to link that up top as well as at the end of this video. So now this is what it looks like now that I've added the powder. It darkened up the part just a little bit, and now I'm ready to put the wig on. And look at that, it's blending pretty well with my complexion. As far as the closure goes, I did pluck the front of the closure just a little bit. This closure was extremely easy to pluck. It's actually the easiest closure or frontal I've ever plucked ever in life. The hair came right off. I prefer for it not to be bulky on top, so I did go ahead and pluck slightly at the part area as well, and as I said, the hair came out very easily. This is how much hair I took out from the closure, and that's pretty much all I've done so far. So it came with some baby hairs. I did not cut this. It actually came like this. They're a little bit long, so I'm going to go ahead and cut these a little bit shorter and slick them down. I'm using my Style Factor Edge Control. This is a pretty good edge control. You can find this at your local beauty supply store. I'll also provide a link in the description box down below in Amazon. Dolls, when I finished filming, I did notice that the part was overplucked slightly, so I just moved the part over a little bit, and this is just a short video clip to let you see what it looked like.
Before I made the unit, I did end up bleaching the knots on the closure, and I will say that the knots were a little resistant to the bleach, so I ended up bleaching it twice for 20 minutes each. After the first time, the knots were still pretty dark, so I bleached it again for another 20 minutes, and then it actually took the bleach. So dolls, that's pretty much all I needed to do. I will tell you that if you're not really comfortable with plucking hairlines, I would suggest that you get a closure as opposed to a frontal, since they don't come pre-plucked. And from what I've seen, their frontals do require a lot of plucking. However, if they're anything like the closure, it will be easy to pluck. The only downside that I can say to having a closure is the fact that you won't be able to pull the hair back. So if that is something that you prefer to do, then I would suggest a frontal instead. This is my first time dealing with Alipearl. However, I'm really happy with the quality of this hair. I do like how this wig turned out. You will see me rocking this on my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, you already know the drill. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram. It's the same as my YouTube, Faithfully Asia. I'll put that across the screen. And if you do have Amazon Prime, you can order this hair and get this hair within 1 to 2 days. And you can check out Amazon. And if you look at Amazon, you will see that this hair has great reviews. It's like almost 5-star reviews, and it's pretty affordable hair. I initially ordered 3 bundles, and after I washed the hair, I really got nervous that I wasn't going to have enough hair, and I went and ordered an additional bundle. However, I did not even need it. I didn't use it, and this is actually the little piece of hair that I had left from that 3rd bundle. So if you order a closure and 3 bundles, you should be fine if you like this thickness. However, if you do prefer your hair to be thicker and a fuller mane, then I would suggest ordering the 4 bundles. You have those options. You can order from the vendor's website, or you can order from Amazon in case you may feel a little bit more comfortable just placing your order with Amazon. I will have the links for both options in the description box down below. And that's pretty much all I have to say about this hair at the current time. If you have any questions, guys, as always, don't hesitate to ask me in the comment section down below. You know I love talking to you guys, and I always respond to my comments. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you get notifications when I have my videos. I have been uploading consistently, guys. You know, every Sunday I'm coming to y'all with that heat. And I have videos coming to you guys every week. Now, I was thinking about doing a get ready with me video. I've never done that before, but I'm not really sure if that's something you guys would be interested in seeing. If you are, go ahead and let me know, and I will go ahead and get that on for you. And it's always important, you guys stay blessed, and I will see you in my next video. Take care now. Bye.